11:41 this morning, and we are checking with our meteorologist Mario Ruiz because we are keeping our eyes on the calendar this week. We got Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, where we've got weather alert days.
Yep.
You're keeping your eyes on the radar because storms expected to make their way our direction overnight. You know, we saw some hail in Fort Worth on Sunday, and it came out like this. At least this time we have a bit of a warning.
We have a little bit of a heads up, and you know, it was interesting because some people saw blue sky all day, and that's the thing about springtime thunderstorms. County by county, it's going to vary. What you see will vary. The timing varies, what kind of storm you see, and, you know, even temperatures vary.
And that's to be expected here in North Texas.
Yeah, so we definitely want to be on the lookout because we do have a few rounds of rain between now and Saturday afternoon. When specifically, WFA weather alert days, Wednesday morning, Thursday morning, Friday morning. So pretty much the second half of the week, expect to see thunderstorms at least somewhere in North Texas. The more north you are, the more likely you are to see some of this activity. Now, with the most intense storms, we could see up to golf ball sized hails, 60+ mile per hour wind speeds, and a low tornado threat. And again, the time frame for this will be in the morning, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. A lot of us will experience this before the sun comes up. Have a way to receive warnings. The WFA app, so helpful for that. Okay, let's get into the slight risk for severe weather that we have. That's a level 2, by the way, level 2 out of 5. That includes Tarrant, Collin, Denton County towards the west, Dallas, Ellis, Kaufman, Hunt County included in a marginal level 1 risk. This is going to be very similar the next several days, but I want to walk you through the timing of the first time frame. And this is midnight tonight. Notice how radar just looking dry, but we do see the cloud cover overhead. We're going to also see a few storms possibly develop between 3-4 in the morning along our western counties, but models now indicating that they pop up between 4 and 6 in the morning right over the Metroplex. So this is around 6, and you can see maybe even dipping down into Johnson, Ellis County towards Collin County across the Red River and into Oklahoma. These storms, if they pop up right over some of our most populated areas, that's when we need to be the most alert. They'll eventually continue to work their way towards the east. This is now around 8 in the morning. Greenville, Sulphur Springs, Paris, and we'll continue to see these storms pushing off east and out of our area with drier air filtering in. I'm thinking about 40% coverage for us come Wednesday morning. By the afternoon, that coverage goes down big time with some showers lingering along far east Texas. Okay, let's talk Thursday morning. Thursday morning, slight risk for severe weather. Again, level 2, similar risks. We do have an enhanced risk along northeast Texas. So the more east these storms move, the more intense they'll be. Let's talk timing here. This is Thursday around midnight, so Wednesday night going into Thursday morning. You see these storms first develop west of the Metroplex. They'll eventually form a line and push into the I-35 corridor counties, Denton, Tarrant County, sometime between 2 and 3 in the morning. These storms will then progress towards the east. I'm now showing you 4 in the morning rather quickly, so this could be a wind concern. Between 4 and 6 then, these storms eventually push out. We could see another cluster develop, skim our western counties between 6 and 8 in the morning. So we'll be watching for, again, rounds of rain, but notice how not everyone sees the rain at the same time. We cover a really big area. 3 in the afternoon Thursday, the coverage really shifts along our eastern counties, and then we'll be slightly drier for Thursday evening. Then comes Friday. Friday between 6 in the morning and noon. That's when we're going to see our most active period. I do think we'll see that rain moving in, and this time the coverage will be higher at about an 80%. This will continue through Saturday morning. We could pick up 2 to 3 inches of rain between now and Saturday around noon. Temperatures are going to vary. 80s today, tomorrow, 70s Thursday, Friday, 65 on Saturday, 59 Sunday. Cooler, drier next week. We'll be back.